Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today we're here to give away the Galaxy Note 8 accessories. We told you we were going to do this, and here we are. Now, for those of y'all who have the Galaxy Note 8, those are the people who I really want to comment, because I really want to give these away to the Galaxy Note 8 users, for the people who are still keeping their Galaxy Note 8, or for the ones who are getting the Galaxy Note 8 for the first time. So with that being said, we are going to announce the winner on next Sunday, in between 12 and 2. As the time gets close, we're going to let you know exactly what time we're going to release the names of the winners, okay? Now, there's three categories of winners, right? One who's going to win the cases, and then one is going to win the Galaxy Note 8 battery pack. And we also have a Gear S2 watch band to win too as well. You don't have to worry about shipping. I'm going to take care of all of that. All you simply have to do is comment. Now remember, on this channel, you don't have to jump through no loops or hoops. You don't have to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. You don't have to follow me on Twitter. And no, I don't have no Twitter account, but you don't have to follow me on any social media. All you have to do is some simple things. Cool? With that being said, first, all you have to do is hit the like button down below. Two, what I need for you to do is pick a video, tell me what you liked about it and or what you dislike about it, because I am open-minded, because I really want to bring about better content to you as a creator. Also, third, what I need for you to do is tell me what you like about the Galaxy Note 8 and or tell me why you're still keeping the Galaxy Note 8. All right, with that being said, let's take a look at the prizes here, right? First of all, we got the LED flip cover. This one here is nice. It fits the Galaxy Note 8 perfectly. Not a problem. I've had fun with this. So if you're going to dress to impress, then this is the case you would want to have in your lineup. Listen, every time I got dressed and went out, this was the case I chose. Also, we have the speaking case. I pretty much bought this just to do a review on it. It's not as clean as it could be, but it still is in good condition. It's not really all banged up or scarred up, anything like that. You don't like it, give it to somebody else and or throw it away. All right, so with that, this one here, now I can't remember the name of this case, but it's a magnet case. Plus, it has a ring to it. So if you want to hold on to this, or you want to use the magnet part of it, now if I find the part that goes into the vent that you can stick this onto, I will send you that as well. I think I haven't even took this out the house. So with that, we got the Gear S2 band. Now I know for a fact there's a few of you all that's still out there hanging on to the Gear S2. Listen, you have an opportunity to win that one. This is probably my favorite gift of all, is the Galaxy Note 8 battery case. This one here took care of me in a pinch many a times when I was on low sale. I'm a heavy user, so definitely I need one. A lot of people sleep on this. I'm telling you, you win this, you're going to find out for yourself. You rather have it than not need it, than to need it and not have it. So that's what you're going to win. So you got one winner that'll win the cases. You have another that'll win, of course, Gear S2. And you have to let me know, hey, you got a Gear S2, you want to win. That's all you have to do for this one. This one is another one. So we got 3 prizes to win, and then we get the big one coming up. Don't worry about it. For those of y'all who don't have a Galaxy Note 8, listen, we got a big one coming up, about in between 5 to 6 prizes. So trust me, you still have a chance. So with that being said, people, that's it. That's all. Go ahead, get to commenting. Thank you for the love and the support on Huck's World. As always, I appreciate every single last one of you all, and also the newer people that have came to the channel as well. Welcome to Huck's World. Come in, kick your shoes off. You are at home. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, today is the weekend. It's Saturday. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm out and about. I really enjoy getting out. I've been working hard all week, so I was really excited to do this video. Glad to get it out there. Glad to get it over with. And listen, party like it's 1999, but most of all, whatever you do, please be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.